Myself, Arindam Goswami. I am having 14 years of expertise in IT industry while dealing with various open source technologies like Java, Spring, Camel, Hibernate. This recently 3-4 years I'm working on the ESP layer and working with the Mule4 tool, which is basically a product currently of Salesforce. So this channel will be emphasizing on mostly giving the techie and technological stuff about the MuleSoft both for on-premises and cloud. So here, without wasting much of your time, I am going to show you a simple example which will show the power of the Dataweave. So what I have done, I have created a inbound endpoint listener. Let me go to the listener here. It's a HTTPS endpoint. If you go here, HTTPS, the TLS, you can see the key store. I have used a one-way SSL, that's why this key store is important. Trust store is important in case two-way SSL, so which I am not using here right now. If you want to more the on key store and one-way SSL and two-way SSL, you can go through my earlier link. You can get some good idea out of it. This is my HTTP inbound endpoint. After that, I have taken a just basic security filter, which I have used the realm that as mule realm. Okay, and nothing else. The attributes automatically populated. After that, I have taken this authorization filter. One good thing is that once you only take the authorization filter, okay, then in the global element you could see these two elements will be enabled. Otherwise, these two elements won't be enabled. So here, if you see the Spring config, which contains the file path of beans.xml, and the security manager, which contains the delegate reference name, which is authentication manager, which is basically injected in the beans.xml. Here I just created a two admin role. One is admin, another is some XYZ. Here is Joe. Password. Here is admin and admin. We have used Noop just to tell to Mule compiler that it's not been encrypted, and the authorities we have set as role admin. So here, if you go, you can see in the message flow in the authorities filter the required authorities we have given that role admins, which signifies that I need to send the role as admin, username as admin, and the password as admin in order to the basic authentication to be working. Otherwise, it won't work. Now, the most powerful thing which I'd like to show here is that you see here I just have used the basic authentication here, but the main thing I would like to mention here is that I'm hitting it the URL, I'm getting this output. Both are same. The difference here is that the ordering of this and the output is different. So how can you achieve that? You can achieve it by using a Dataweave function, which I write here, which is zip tag in XML. So I'm going to demonstrate it fully here. This is my input XML. So the first thing which I have done, I've taken the entire payload and its report and use a map object function. Map object function, it can be worked within an object. So here this dollar map object is basically denying dollar is telling the key and dollar is the value. So the first set of this thing is saying the dollar means it's a report and dollar means it's a value. Which value? The entire value which is present inside report. Correct? So now after that I am giving a map object again on the dollar. That means the highlighted section. Now I'm coming to the second section, second iteration part, where dollar dollar means the single dollar dollar means it's a key, and the this dollar means it's a value which signifies this. So like that way it is there. So if I have used a map object, and dollar dollar means all the keys, that order key, and dollar values means all the value which is present here. So map object directly work on the object. So here what I have done, I have used the plus operator, and just whatever the order that I want, I have added it. I wanted in that order name, ID, amount, and address. I have added in similar way. Then I simply that printing that payload. The same thing I have done here, which is why I'm getting the response like that way. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel for videos or interesting thing like this. Thank you. Bye.